you going to do your cluck cluck noise? Here we go. Are you going to do it? Freedom is capable of whistling. I can ask him, Freedom, what do you do when you see a pretty bird? But he doesn't always whistle on command. He whistles very well for my neighbors. You know, they'll whistle one time and he'll do it over and over and over again. Hey, Freedom. Hi, Freedom. How are you? Hi, Freedom. Good boy. Isn't that a trip? Now watch his beak. Okay, so let's do the... Oh, that's cluck cluck. All right, Freedom, you want to do your other one? I just want to see how wide he moves his beak. Well, you'll have to go out back to the beginning of the video and do the research yourself. Right, Freedom? He's looking outside because we do have a couple cats. His new thing, he leans over like this every time someone bike rides on the bike path. Freedom, so silly. He's in the fake flying position. Hello, pretty bird. And if you guys have not seen Freedom fly across the room, just Google Freedom the Parrot flies across the room or Freedom the Parrot flies across the bed. Hey, Freedom. And then he walks right into his travel cage. All right, we're signing off live. Hope everybody has a lovely day. Goodbye.